Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. Previously we saw loops and looping structure. So today we are going to see the integration of the loops. I mean loops within the loops. So now we are going to see a for loop and if else loop integration. So hash include stdio.h main. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take a number from a user, whether he wants to print a series of 3 or a series of 7 till 100. I mean whatever the numbers which are divisible by 3 or 7 will be printed within the range of 100. So I'm gonna take int n comma I. So now I'm gonna do printf, enter either 3 or 7. So now scanf, I'm going to store that in n, so %d comma ampersand of n. Now I stored that number in n, so now here I'm going to first of all check the number whether the user has entered 3 or 7. So I'm going to use if else loop, like if n is equals to 3, then now we use 2 times equals to just to check whether the number stored in n is equals to that particular number or that particular quantity. So now I want to print a series of 3 numbers, so now I'm gonna use a for loop for I equals to 3. Just going to increment the counter by 3, so I equals to I plus 3, and I'm simply gonna here do is printf %d comma I, and closing. So now I'm going to do is percent backslash of n %d comma I. So now this will print the series of numbers of 3 till the 100. So now if that is, I have done the if condition. Now let's do the else condition. Now else if n is equals to 7, I'm going to use for loop again for I equals to 7, I less than equals to 100, then I equals to I plus 7. So this is what it is going to do. Again printing like printf, same doing backslash of n %d comma I. So if the user enters the number 7, it will print a series of 7. Now after that what I'm going to do is, now if by mistake and the user enters a number which is not neither 3 or 7, so I'm going to output it as an error input. So in else condition I'm going to do is printf input error. Now again backslash of, and here of course. So now the program is all set. Now I'm going to take an input from an user, just like say I have entered 3. So let's check. So you can see now, see, now it's printing me the numbers within the 100 which are divisible by 3, or a series of 3 you can say. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So this is keeps on going, and 99. So these all numbers are divisible by 3, and so they are coming under the series of 3 numbers. So now let's change the input. I'm going to put as 7. Done. Okay. Now you can see this, it's like 7, 14, 21. So you can just see that these all numbers are divisible by 7, so they come under the category of series of 7. Now let's try putting any other random number which is neither 3 or 7. So I'm going to put it here as 5. Okay, so now let's check it. See, it output me as an input error, just like I put in the else condition. So it was neither 3 or 7, so it gave me output as input error. So this is how we integrate loops within the loops to make it possible. Thank you guys for watching it.